லீகல் டிக்டேஷன் 80 words per minute அவுட்லைன்ஸ் கீழே டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் அட்டாச் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் பாருங்கள். ஓகே, ஸ்டார்ட். ரிஜெக்டட் தி செட் அப்ஜெக்ஷன்ஸ் raised by holding that the second respondent was entitled to that benefit with effect from 27/11/1999 in terms of the Permanent Status Act, which has overriding effect on all laws, which also includes the agreements between the parties in this writ petitioner. The aforesaid order passed by the first respondent is assailed. It is eventually contended by the learned counsel for the petitioner that when the second respondent had accepted the benefit of confirmation in service in terms of settlement under section 12(3) of the ID Act without any demur, he is stopped from invoking the provisions of the Permanent Status Act. It must at once be pointed out here that the Honorable Supreme Court of India, in his reiterated the legal position that a settlement cannot be arrived between the employer and its employee under the provisions of the ID Act without satisfying the requirements of law or in contravention of legal provisions, when it is not in dispute that the second respondent was employed from 7/4/1998 onwards following the prescribed procedure of requirement through employment exchange. He is entitled to the constitutional guarantee of equality of opportunity and treatment in public employment under Articles 14 and 16 of the Constitution. As such, the petitioner could not unilaterally treat as if the second respondent had worked only from 4/8/1998 merely because the daily paid appointment was given from that date. The conferment of permanent status on the second respondent with effect from 27/11/1999 when he completed 480 days of continuous service in period of 24 calendar months in the establishment of the petitioner is more beneficial than the confirmation of service granted by the petitioner to him with effect from 24/8/2007. In this context, it would be beneficial to refer to the observations made by the Supreme Court of India in that squarely applies to the fact situation that has arisen in the writ petition as extracted below. Stop.